Today we are going to discuss about safe use of grinders. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Wheel breakage during operation. Inspect wheel and use correct type. Hazard number 2. Flying sparks and particles. Wear goggles and face shield. Hazard number 3. Contact with rotating disc. Keep hands away and use guard. Hazard number 4. Electric shock from faulty tool. Check cables and grounding. Hazard number 5. Improper handling of grinder. Hold firmly and use proper technique.